Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial what I'm going to show you is actually how you can convert a solid object into sheet metal. But before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to visit my channel with the name right. I'm writing over here. You can access my channel with this name. On the top, just click over here and you can visit my channel, come to videos. A lot of videos over here you can find related with the mechanical softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, creo, creo plus, PowerShape, and whatever, and you can easily access my MS Word. So right, let me open my creo parametric. Just close it for now. You can close it from here. Either you can come here and close the browser, come to new, select a solid part, assign the proper name and say OK. This time I will extrude on front plane, make it normal. This time I will draw center rectangle and just confirm it for now. Just drag it in this direction up to a certain limit and say OK. Let me switch off all the datum planes. Again I will extrude on this plane. This time I will take an offset, come to loop and select this surface. Keep the dimension this time -60, means toward the center. Close it for now and just say OK. Just hold it from the yellow points and drag it down up to a certain limit and say OK. Now this is really important for you people, that you must know how can you convert a solid object into sheet metal and creo parametric. Whatever the version you have, that doesn't matter, but you must know the way. For that, come to operation. As I told you in the previous video, if someone has not seen my previous videos, I will give the link in the description, as well as you can watch that and the I button, and you can find them and the I button as well, right? Or even I will try to keep that as an end screen. So come to operation, convert to sheet metal, and this time I will choose shell. Select the surfaces that you want to shell by pressing and holding Control key. This surface and this surface, and just confirm it for now. You can't see, but once you come into view, cross section, planars like this plane, and just drag it in the reverse direction. So here you can see that how can you convert a solid object into sheet metal. This is really very easy for you people, and just confirm it for now. Let me assign some color. Come to appearance, come to library, come to glass, and let me, sorry, that glass is not fitable over here. Come to metals, browns, this one, come downward, select part and say OK. So this is really very important for you people. You must know. So hopefully you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.